have the Parade Commander Inspector G.K. Sangma West Khasi's District Executive Force Nongstoin, followed by Second Parade Commander at ABSI K. Gorari West Khasi's District Executive Force Nongstoin.
An Independence Day celebration is incomplete without the spectacle of the beautiful synchronization called March Past or the March Parade. The March Past is performed and displayed to showcase team spirit and unity. The very essence that our forefathers, our freedom fighters fought with against the colonial rule of the British Raj, and with which we carry forward the independent India up to this day. The judges for today's March Past are Shri H.P. Kharkamor, MPS, Additional SP Nongstoin, Shri D. Moksha, MPS, Deputy SP of Headquarter Nongstoin, and AB Sub-Inspector H. Saikia, Police Reserve Nongstoin. Arriving the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Parade Commander Inspector G.K. Sangma of West Khasi Hills District Executive Force, Nongstoin.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to announce that of the 24th contingents in this year Independence Day celebrations 2023, the first among the 24th marching contingents are platoon number 1, West Khasi Hills District Executive Force, led by ABSI Lakhi Kanta Boro.
The platoon number 2 is the 4th Battalion, Sopian Nongstoin, the newly recruited personnel of Meghalaya Police. And now we have platoon number 3, the DTC Home Guard Nongstoin, led by SI Transleading Song DTC Nongstoin, taking a salute.
Now we have platoon number 4, NCC Boys Nongstoin College, led by Mr. P. Marwin.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is platoon number 5, the NCC Girls Nongstoin College, led by Miss I. Dimpun.
Ladies and gentlemen, now arriving at is NCC St. Peter's High Secondary School, Pyndengrei, led by Mr. B. Lin Khoi.
The first contingent to take the salute now is contingent number 7 from St. Peter's High Secondary, Pyndengrei, Scouts and Guides, led by Mr. R. Kharbani, with a total number of 26 in strength.
Now arriving at the saluting dais is parade contingent number 8, Church of God, Secondary School, Nongstoin, led by Mr. G. Simbai.
A contingent of 26 members, Maupur Klam Secondary School, Nongstoin, commanded by Miss L. Kharjarin.
Now arriving at the saluting dais with a total number of 31 students, which is Nongstoin Public Secondary Boys School, which is led by Mr. G. Ling Khoi.
The contingent taking the salute now under Mr. P. Marabanian with a total strength of 28.
Now we have come to the saluting dais is St. Peter's High Secondary School, Pyndengrei, Northside, led by Miss Armar Hall.
Taking the salute now is the Nongstown College contingent led by Mr. P. Kharbani.
Next in line is J&P Girls, Nongstown, led by Miss M. Nongsi.
And from the same school, contingent number 15. Here we have the JNV boys, Nongstown, commanded by Mr. W. Yaupnyo.
Now the school to reach for the is JJM Secondary School, Nongstown, led by Mr. S. Simbay.
Taking the salute now is the contingent of 34 members, Bethel Presbyterian Secondary School, Nongstown, led by the commander, Mr. K. Linkoy.